Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
.1 FM, the spirit of Indonesia, Smart Up Your Life. Welcome back with me and with BPC, Benteng Panjua English Club. And today, like usual, we are about spending about 1 hour chit-chatting and talking and discussing about the nice and interesting topic. And for sure, don't skip 1 hour with us. But first, I'm so exciting because it's been 1 week, 2 weeks ago. I was as a host, and today I feel honor about to be a host again, and I'm so thankful for today because even though the weather bit not bit yeah but heavy rain a whole day and a few days, but then I feel fit and I'm feel grateful for today. And yeah, like here I am in Smart FM. And of course I'm not alone, and yeah, we are still waiting for another fellas from BPC because yeah, for some reason maybe they come late, maybe because of the rain, and yeah, they have their own business too. So I would like to introduce myself first. Just call me Dewi, and here I am. Yes, I'm with the boys, the handsome boys. Yes, I'm still the beautiful one here. Oh, I'm so happy. And yeah, please come closer, please. So be it, Alden. Yeah. I think the first time I have to introduce my friends here, especially my junior, my handsome boy. Please come first from Aldan. Who you are? Please explain who you are.
Thank you for having me here. So, hello smart listener, my name is Aldan Wiranata. You guys can call me Aldan. Now I'm a college student taking civil engineering department. In the third year. So yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Okay, nice. Next.
Okay, hello smart listener. I'm Muhammad Yusril Abidin. You guys can call me Yusril. I'm a student in Islamic State University of Makassar, and now I'm in 5th semester. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, smart listeners. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Abdullah bin Tapamukas. My nickname is Wahid. I come from Isung Nasa and I study in Unismo Makassar or English Education Department. Thank you.
Okay, so how was your day, guys?
Very good.
Good.
How is your lecture? Your lecture running well?
Yeah, it's running well, but unfortunately maybe because of the season is bad, right? But it's we still spirit.
Okay, but I have a question for Aldan. Why didn't you join last Raker?
So I actually have told told you right that I'm actually should take care of my father in hospital.
Oh.
So I should accompany. So alhamdulillah now he's actually back to home.
Oh, okay, nice.
So,
I'm happy to know that. You actually yeah, but because of your parents, yeah. But actually, it was so sophisticated Raker. And anyway, before that, I will let Yusril first to explain what is BPC actually and what is the item of BPC, include outdoor meeting or something like that.
Okay, BPC is Benteng Panjua English Club. It's one of the oldest English community in Makassar. It's found on 1986, I guess, yeah. And in BPC, we provide a time to learn English. It's called Lovely Sunday Meeting. So in Lovely Sunday Meeting, we provide to the society a place to learn English. And in Lovely Sunday Meeting, there are several items that we provide. The first is Who Am I? Who Am I is an item that the new visitors have to introduce themselves so we can know each other. And the second is called ice breaking. In ice breaking, the committee will give something like games to refresh our brain before we do discussion and debating. Because after that, we have DTD. It's called discussion and debating. Before 12 o'clock, we have to discuss with small groups, and after that, we have to debate each other. So there will be a pros side and the contra side. And after the DND, there is called building skill. In building skill, we learn about grammar, vocabularies, expression, and many things. And after that, it will be continued by an entertainment. So if the participant have a skill like singing, stand-up comedy, or something like that, they can stand in front of the participant and entertain the participant there. And after that, there is an announcement. That is the last items in our lovely Sunday meeting. In the announcement, the participant that has information about something like seminar, graduation party, wedding party, or something like that, they can stand in front of us and explain about an information about what they have. So yeah, if you have a time to join there, I think it really recommended, because you can learn with not only a student but also worker people. So we can get connection also and many knowledge there about English. So I think that's it. Thank you.
So is it free to join BPC?
Yeah, and the good news is that's free for charge. Free of charge, I mean.
For any average?
Yeah.
For any average? I mean, is there any qualification to join BPC?
No, everyone can join there, learn English together. Even you are already have family or just student, you can join there and we learn together about English.
Okay, nice explanation. So guys, we have a new friends, new fellas, beautiful and pretty. And please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, smart listener. I am Samantha.
Hi Sam.
Hi Sam.
Hi. I'm really sorry for being late. And yeah, I am student at University State of Makassar in a second year and studying at English department. Yeah, I am the coordinator of divisi education.
Education.
Calm down, Sam. Okay.
That's it.
You look need more breath because no, you look so hurry. That's okay. Take your time. Enjoy your time. Smart listener, we would like to invite you to join us about 1 hour with our discuss. And our discuss is about war on drugs, yeah. Please join us in 0811 46 10 11. Once again, please join with us in WhatsApp 0811 46 10 11. So guys, because you are young generation, yeah, I think it's probably not ordinary things that you face the truth about drugs, how to face the drugs, and how do you see the people around you, or even some influencer or some popular actor or something like that, or celebrity that they are so relate to drugs and something like that, because maybe for some problems in their life. And I mean, we cannot deny that everyone has their own problem, and maybe some of these unlucky people choosing drugs as a solution for their life. And I would like to ask you about how, I mean, what do you think, or have you ever seen the people around you who try to fighting to their addiction in drugs? I start from Samantha first, yeah? Are you okay right now, Samantha?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So you asking me about have I see or have I
people
find
around you
people
or
around
friends.
me? Yes, actually I've never seen like someone who struggle to fight drugs. So, but we can see at the in a time right now, there are a lot of like who celebrity who like terjerumus in drugs. Yeah.
And what do you think about that?
So I think maybe they some of them they want to cope with drugs or trying to drug will be like the the cope mechanism for them to going through what they going through or mereka fight for.
Yeah, fight
So
for
they
drugs.
use drugs for that.
Okay, nice explanation. What about you, Aldan?
Sorry, what was the question?
I mean, have you seen the people around you or your family or your friends who's trying to struggling drugs?
I've never seen in front of my face because actually this is a secret, right? I mean, for several people, they think that it's actually their own problem, so they actually hide with using drug abuse.
Yeah.
And I just want to say that of course the addictions of drugs is very dangerous because in drugs it actually contains nicotine. Yeah, it's addictive substance. When you eat the drugs, of course, actually will give you so many impacts that you cannot, let's say, move on to use and use and use it more and more.
It makes you
Yeah.
addiction, yeah.
It makes addiction. So I know like it takes time to get right from the addiction, but the important thing is drugs is not actually will solve your problem. When you try drugs and your stress and it's actually will increase. So the only things for drug abuser, they will eat more and more and more because of the addiction. So I think avoid the drugs is the way, by not choosing by not abusing the drugs.
Or whether no, I mean just prefer choosing Indomie or something like that, yeah, noodle.
Indomie actually
Yeah.
something.
or meatball or bubur ayam porridge, yeah, or something like that. It's more addiction, yeah, healthy addiction. Okay, next. What about you, Yusril?
Yeah, actually, thanks to God because I never seen drugs user in front of me, the addictive one, because I don't know why. Because I think my circle is good people, so
Yeah.
I never seen the one.
Us, yeah, us
Yeah.
good
Yeah.
people,
Just like
yeah,
us.
just like
Just
us.
like that. But in television, there are many cases that shows us about the one who has addicted by the drugs, something like a public figure actually. And I think that because of first maybe depression or stressing or something like that, because they don't know how to solve their problem, so they use drugs to be happy, always happy. Because I think when using drugs, our brain, our mind feel free. We don't think on our problem, so they use drugs. And also, I think there are some people that using drugs because of their circle, toxic circle, I guess. They just see their friend that using drugs, so they follow it, and yeah, after that it will be addicted. So yeah, it's very dangerous. So instead of you addicted, better than you looking for another thing to do. Yeah, to solve your problem.
Solve
Find
problem.
another activity.
Yeah, find another activity like doing sport or something like that.
Find the positive person.
Yeah.
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 Surround.
Or
Support system, you mean?
yeah, positive, a special person, yeah, special, or we may call it girlfriend or boyfriend.
Mrs. X. Mrs. X.
Okay, next. Wahid.
Okay, talking about I have seen my people that take like drugs like
Yeah.
that. Okay, in several what is in 3 or 4 time ago, yeah, I take my friend that addictive about the drugs. I think it's not good for our environment, our society, especially in our complex. Okay, we know about the drugs, especially is narcotic, is not good for us. And there is influence the bad environment. Young people until today, we know about some many people, they, how to say, ketergantungan about the addicted, or some people until today addicted about the narcotic. We know about the young people today are easily influenced by the glamour of the world, so they are also influenced by their bad friends. So we the solution, we have to take the positive vibes, positive people, and look for the environment, the good environment. I think that's.
Nice explanation, Wahid. Yeah. So guys, I would like to spill a little bit my experience long time ago when I was young. Even though I'm forever young. When I was yeah, because that's my motto. It makes me feel alive. I have when I was a student of university, I have a friend. She was addicted to drugs. She was a very broken home. She got trouble for many times, and she ever been also put in a jail. And she was a girl. She's a girl. She's a woman. I mean, actually, at the first, I was scared to her, but then I realized that she needed friends, and I realized myself too that I have to to filter myself, but it doesn't mean that I make a gift to her. But then I tried to learn about what is the basic the background. Why did she use drugs for something like that? It was because she was broken, coming from a broken home, and yes, absolutely too. She was steal her parents' money for many times. She did criminal only for buying drugs, because drugs is also expensive. Yeah. And then I don't know about her right now, but actually sometimes I'm thinking about her because I feel bad for her. She only need rehabilitation was useless for her too. But I'm so thankful because she was advised me at the moment that Dewi, please don't follow me, don't copy me, because I'm not the right person. But please don't judge me, because I'm not. I mean, I don't want to do this, but yeah, this is my life. I don't know what I have to do. I lost my family. I lost my parents. Yeah, I lost my home and something like that. But it's depend on you. I mean, if you still want to be my friends, just keep closer to me. But if you don't, please gone. And yeah, for a long time, maybe about 2 years, we were still making friends. But then she lost. I don't know right now. Yeah, for many times, I have a lot of friends too who addicted to drugs, and I'm so thankful that I was protect myself, that I can make a friends, if I can making friends or in a toxic circle, but I'm still standing up well, without they interrupt, distract me. And yeah, that was a nice experience also. And anyway, okay, we are going to up to the break.
Smart up your life.
Yang ini bukan. Yang ini kurang kompak.